In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone admin of Telegram group. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram. This is our Telegram, and I'm going to show you how you can make someone an admin here in your group. If for any reasons you want to do this, what we're going to do right now, you're going to click on here, right? Once it has opened, you're going to click on this pen, right? Once I've clicked on this pen, you're going to see the administrators, right? Click on the administrators, and from here you can see I'm the only one that is the admin right here. That is the HowTo do, right? I'm the only admin here. So for you to add up administrators, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this, right? Once I've clicked on this, you can see there are just two people right here, right? So I can click on this person. Once I click on him, you can see the custom title, right? I'm going to click on it. Exactly. So if I go back to my Telegram group, you can see I just made him an administrator right here in this group. So for you to do this, it's very easy. So if you look right here, you can see he's an admin already, right? He's an admin. I can still make Casio an admin as well. So I'm gonna click on this, right? I'm gonna click on administrators. I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna add Casio. So I'm gonna click on this, right? So he's gonna go through, and if I go back to my Telegram chat, you can see there are 3 admins right here in this group. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.